In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer, stopwatch, or timestamp to your video in CapCut with an easy step-by-step tutorial. Let's start by opening the CapCut app on your device and creating a new project. Import the video you want to edit or a clip you want to practice with. Once your video is in the timeline, make sure you can see the entire clip clearly by zooming in or out on the timeline if needed. This makes it easier to place your timer accurately. To add a timer or stopwatch effect, we'll be working with CapCut's text and animation tools. First, tap on the text option at the bottom and choose to add regular text. Type in your starting time. For a stopwatch, that might be 00 okoik. For a timestamp, you might type the actual time you want to show, like 12:34. Keep it simple and clear. After typing, position the text where you want it on the screen, usually a corner so it doesn't cover important parts of your video. Next, adjust the style of your timer so it's easy to read. You can change the font, size, and color. A bold, high-contrast color like white or yellow with a slight shadow often works well, especially if your video background is busy. Take a moment here to play with the styles until the timer is clearly visible but not distracting. Now, extend the text layer along the timeline so it lasts as long as you want the timer or timestamp to appear. If you want it over the entire video, drag the edge of the text layer all the way to the end of the clip. To actually make it behave like a timer or stopwatch, you'll manually update the numbers at key points. Move the playhead a few seconds forward, tap the text, and edit the time to match that point in the video. For example, at 5 seconds, change it to utubers 05. At 10 seconds, uso 010, and so on. This takes a bit of patience, but it gives you precise control. You can use shorter intervals, like every second or every 5 seconds, depending on how detailed you want your timer to look. As you update each time value, CapCut will create keyframes automatically, giving you a smooth changing timer effect when you play back the video. Scrub through to preview the result and make sure the numbers change at the right moments. If anything looks off, simply tap that section and adjust the time. When you're happy with how your timer, stopwatch, or timestamp looks and behaves, tap Export. Choose your desired resolution and settings and save the video to your device. That's all there is to it.